Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing two trades I took this month. So this month of August, I've said in my recent videos I've been watching the ICT mentorship. So presently today I entered month 4, the first video of month 4, and in total for the 2016 mentorship, ICT mentorship, we actually have 8 months. So I'm currently in month 4, but since the videos are bulky, I decided that before I complete the month, let me try backtesting some of what I've learned. So this month of August, I decided I'll start backtesting, and so far I've taken two trades, which I took it last week Friday. So during last week, I think Monday and Wednesday, I saw two opportunities but could not trade that day because I could not find a setup. My setup was not that matured to find a setup for a trade. So it was on Friday that I found. I haven't found two that day. So I'll be sharing the outcomes of the trade and also show us in the chat how it looked like, how I framed it up. So this was 8th Friday August, which was last week Friday. So as you can see on the daily chart, the overall trend was bullish, but price came and broke structure somewhere and was coming back to this other block. And if you can see, price started riling up. So I was still expecting to be a buyer here. I was expecting that price would continue going higher. So this was more of like a correction. So down to the 1 hour chart, you can see this green shaded area is a fair value gap. So this was around 8 a.m., which was London session. So price came inside the fair value gap and started retesting it, started moving higher. So it was inside this area. Now I went to the lower time frame, which was the 5 minutes. I came and looked for the entry. So you can see the fair value gap, this green shaded area. Then price already rallied up to take out the recent high, which is above there. You can see where my TP is. So I wanted to chase price, but I said this yellow shaded area, I put my order there, which was a breaker block. So although price was moving far, I said I'll follow my rules. So you can see I put a buy limit at the green shaded area, expecting price would come down, although it was close to my take profit, come back and tap me in and move to my take profit. So as you can see, price clearly almost reaching my TP, which is the red line at 34.50. It went up, came back, took me in, then went to hit my take profit. So on that same Friday, I took another second. Later on, I came back around New York session. So you can see it's 3:39 p.m. here. So about New York session, I came back and saw another setup. So as you can see, that first green shaded area was the first trade where it tapped me in and went to the take profit at 34.50. Then I saw price after hitting my take profit, it rallied down and I violated that low, which was maybe an order block or I violated the low. Then I came and checked that fair value gap I initially used, there was another order block here, which is this green shaded area. So price has already entered the order block and started moving higher. So I went down to the lower time frame to look for an entry. So as you can see, that green shaded area down, price has already entered it and price started rallying. It broke structure, then came back down. So I could not catch this last order block. So since I came, the price has already played. So I put my buy limit order at this second order block here. You can see this green shaded area. So expecting that price will still come back, tap me in, then move back to my TP. Then as it came to be, after I checked back later, price came and I will say 2 pipettes to my entry. It just hit my buy limit order but did not take me in. Then started rallying up again. As it started rallying up, it came down. I guess I thought that the price would not take me in. I was still expecting for it to come and take me in before hitting my TP. Then as you can see, unfortunately it did not. It just touched my buy limit order, then went and headed for TP and started rallying down. So I just closed the trade. I cancelled the trade. So it actually did not tap me in. So let me show you how it was looking like in my chart. So this was how the trade was looking like in my chart. So I actually use MT5 for my analysis. Actually I'm not familiar with trading view, so for now I'm using MT5 for my analysis. So as you can see, in the 1 hour time frame, that's where I got my setup. I saw this first value fair value gap. That was in London session. So it came around here and started rallying up. So I went to the 5 minutes to look for an entry. So as you can see in the 5 minutes, price was around here. So this red line is where my TP was. So I was aiming for a previous high there. So price went up. So due to my discipline and my trading rules, I'm not allowed to chase price. So it's better I put an order block or a breaker block and it did not tap me in than for me to chase price and let price hit my stop loss. So I use this breaker block here. So price took me in and my stop loss was just below this low. Then as it came back, it went and hit my TP. That was my first trade, so it was actually a win. So for the second trade, you can see when I came back, this was the first trade. When I came back earlier, around 3, that was my New York session, price took out this low here. So you can see it took out the low and it went in here. So I came back and saw this bullish order block, which also had a fair value gap here. So as price came in here, it started moving up again, rallying up. So I came down here to look for an entry. Went also back again to the 5 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, this is a lower low, a higher low. It came and broke structure. So after breaking this structure, it came and had a change in market structure, shift in market structure. So after taking out this liquidity here, so as I came actually to this trade, price was around this level, this consolidation level. So I could not get this first order block. So I used this second order block and my take profit at this high to take out this high. So you can see it's this red line still here. So as I put my order block, price came. It came almost took me in, but did not tap me in. Then headed for take profit. Then for the rest of the day, that was on Friday, it was consolidating. So I didn't want to take any other trade again because Friday is actually a risky day and market will be closing down. So I was unsure. So let me show you some of the lessons I learned from the trade. So as you can see, the lessons I learned always follow your plans. It happened in the first trade, wanted to chase price, but it played out fine. So on that first trade, as you can see, actually price was rallying up. I wanted to chase price, but according to my rules, I'm not allowed. So I had to allow it to come back to my breaker before it hit my TP. And as you can see, it actually came back to my order and went back for TP. So I actually learned that I should not chase price no matter what. It's better for it's better for price not to hit my entry than for me to hit my entry and also hit stop loss. So the second one was actually for my second trade, the second lesson, which was missing an entry is part of the game. If it ends in your plan, leave it. So it was actually referring to this trade, the second trade, where it came, almost tapped me in and took my profit. So I actually felt somehow bad. I felt I was actually wrong, but I came to understand that I was actually right. It's just that I did not place my entries well, or it might be the broker. Because I'm not blaming the broker now, but sometimes there's what we call by spread. It might actually have touched, but the spread in between the prices did not tap me in. So, as I say, missing an entry is part of the game. If it ends in your plan, leave it. So, as it not tap me in, it's also part of the game. We must not get all straight wins. Sometimes we lose, sometimes we win. But what actually makes us profitable is that um our wins are more than our loses. That means our risk to reward level. So actually in this trade, I guess I used 1 to 2 risk to reward. So that was how the trade went. So I'll continue dropping videos on my back testing. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and drop in the comment section how you felt about the video. Thank you.